To upgrade the RAM in your MacBook, you will need your MacBook, a coin, and a 00 Phillips bit, and some new RAM. First, let's find out what kind of MacBook you have. Go to About This Mac, then click More Info, and finally, click System Report. Now, under Model Identifier, you want to see what it says. I have a MacBook 3.1 here. And for my MacBook, I can upgrade it to 6 gigs, but today I'm just going to upgrade it to 4. Now, to find out how much RAM you have, click About This Mac. And then, click More Info. Finally, click Memory. I have 2 gigabytes installed, and for me, I need 667 megahertz of DDR2 laptop RAM. Yours may be different, so please look. Now, here's desktop RAM, and here's laptop RAM. First, you need to remove the battery, using the coin we discussed earlier. The battery should lift straight out. In case the battery doesn't come out, try wiggling the coin. Remove the battery. Now you need to remove this screw, this one, and that one. This will allow you access to the RAM. So first, unscrew the 3 screws. These screws don't actually come all the way out. They stay attached to the L bracket. After you have the 3 screws undone, take out the L bracket. Now, to remove your RAM, grab the little release knob and move it to the left, and the RAM should eject. Now, when you insert your new RAM, it is very important to note that the notch on the RAM needs to be on the left side, not the right side, but the left side on both sides. Now, you want to insert the RAM. You don't need to do anything with the levers, but you do need to put quite a bit of force on the RAM in order to get it to fully engage. Don't be scared that you're going to break it. The RAMs are designed not to break if you handle them correctly. So insert stick number 1, and then stick number 2. As I said, the notch should be on the left side, and you should apply a fair amount of pressure. Now, reinstall the L bracket. There's a little notch by the hard drive that you need to get into its hole, so make sure that the notch is in there. So go ahead and reinsert the 3 screws. Then, reinstall the battery using the coin. Now, after you have the battery seated, you can try to turn it on. Now, if you go to turn the MacBook on and you hear it beeping, this is a good indicator that the RAM was not seated correctly. So remove the RAM and reinsert it again, this time applying more force. Now, let's make sure your upgrade works. Go to About This Mac, and then click More Info. Then, go ahead and head over to Memory, and we can see that we have 2 gig modules installed. I hope this video helped you. Please comment on what video you'd like me to do next. Thank you.